Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I'm showing you guys one of many ways how to cook one of my favorite thing to eat and my family favorite thing to eat, chicken liver. So in this pan I have just a small amount of chicken liver. This is about half of a pound, and on here I have a few things that I'm gonna put in. Don't worry guys, if you hear my baby in the background, don't worry about it. So I have assorted sweet peppers, which I'm just gonna throw right into the pan. I have thyme, onions, and some chopped carrot, real small, and I have some garlic here. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, and the reason why I'm adding that small amount of salt is because I'll be using my special seasoning, which is the Jamaican jerk seasoning. And like I said, this is just one of many ways that you can cook chicken liver, but this is one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna add a small amount of that. It's like a teaspoon. And then what I like to add to it when I'm seasoning it is some ketchup, maybe like half of a cup. There you go. Then I'm gonna mix this all together like that. Mix it so everything gets seasoned and marinated nicely. Look at that, that looks so good. Now over here I have a preheated pot which is already going, and in this preheated pot I am just gonna add a little bit of vegetable oil in there. This pot is really hot. And one thing with chicken liver is that it can really props up on you when you put it in the pot. So you need to put it in the pot and get away from the pot real quick. So I'm gonna throw this all in and just cover the pot without adding any liquid, just to let it spring its own liquid and cook. Okay you guys, so as you can see, this is about 2 minutes in and it's already starts springing its own liquid. So I really don't need to add any water to this liver whatsoever. It's just gonna stay here and cook approximately 15 minutes and then it should be ready. Another thing that you guys can add to it to make it really nice is some hot pepper, but because I'm cooking for my family really and they are not a big fan of hot pepper, so I won't be adding any hot pepper to that. But there we go. Let me zoom so you guys can see what it's looking like. We're just gonna cover that and let it continue cooking. This is something I normally add to my liver, which I forget to do. It's actually food browning. So what I'm gonna do is just tip a little bit. Okay you guys, so if you realize this is 15 minutes later and I really don't have to add anything else to this, I'm just gonna taste it to make sure that it's good. All I'm gonna do right now is to add a little bit of sugar to bring up the taste. Just like a teaspoon of sugar to bring up all the flavors. And we're done. And there you go. You can eat this with just about any form of starch. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with quinoa, you can eat it with anything you choose. So there you go you guys. Ta-da! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you guys in the next Mel's Kitchen.